Sprint. It's not telling you how to sprint because you're doing so badly escaping them. Freaking nerd. Don't forget to reload your crossbow if it's not reloaded. Oh, make a bullet right now. Oh, you can use the medical kit because you're damaged. So use the medical kit.
Okay, now, okay. Oh.
That one was close.
Yeah.
Crossbow.
Oh my god. And I decided...
Oh, but lit him on fire.
Yeah. That's the only good thing that came out of that. Fuck.
Don't forget to build more ammo.
I already have enough, right?
Alright, did you? No, you haven't. You didn't build any. It's R1. There. You have to try and get head.
Shit, had to reload.
Turn and fire.
Gotta be kidding me, dude.
You just keep hurting yourself with that.
Yeah.
I think you should be building harpoons, not explosive bullets. Because harpoons do more damage. I think.
And I forgot I had a grenade.